The Universe cards. Number 8. Red Dwarf. Keyword self-doubt. Interpretation. A red dwarf star may appear very small and insignificant next to its more flashy companions in the universe, and the red dwarf card symbolizes this sense of inadequacy. It represents a feeling of insignificance or lack when we compare ourselves to others. We doubt our own abilities and we lack the confidence to act positively. Life may conspire to make us feel small in a situation, or we may habitually put ourselves in this position, suffering from a chronic feeling of lack of self-worth. If the red dwarf card, number 8, appears in, it is telling you that an element of self-doubt has crept into the area of your inquiry. Even the most confident among us may come to doubt ourselves from time to time. Indeed, a little self-doubt is probably healthy, but more often it is crippling and restrictive to our lives. The red dwarf card indicates that it is time to reconcile with your self-doubt and to move beyond it. Remember, a red dwarf star is no less a star because it is smaller than others. Size is not everything. It is not easy to conquer self-doubt, but try to keep it in proportion. Everyone else is not perfect and wonderful compared with you. They too may feel insignificant and small, but hide it under a veneer of confidence. Don't make comparisons with others, but focus on your own uniqueness and your own will. Try to be philosophical about your feelings of self-doubt and remember that everybody has them. They are an essential part of being human.